If you're chasing a woman, you've already lost. And no, this isn't alpha talk. It's psychology. Let me explain. Most men think effort creates attraction. So they text first. They double text. They explain themselves. They chase. But attraction doesn't grow from effort. It grows from value. And the moment you chase, you silently tell her, I'm beneath you. Women don't respond to neediness. They respond to certainty. Think about it. Have you ever wanted something that was desperate to be chosen? No. The human brain is wired to want what doesn't need us. That's why chasing repels, and why attraction feels effortless when you do it right. Attractive men don't pursue women. They pursue purpose. They have a life that's already full with goals, discipline, standards, direction. Women don't want to be your world. They want to join your world. When your life has momentum, people feel it. You don't say it, you embody it. So how do you attract instead of chase? You do this. Stop over-texting. Stop explaining yourself. Stop trying to be liked. You speak less, but with intention. You walk away when effort isn't matched. You choose yourself first. That confidence creates tension, and tension creates attraction. Remember this: a man who chases seeks approval. A man who attracts expects respect. Never chase a woman. Build a life so solid she feels lucky just to be a part of it.